Hello viewers, welcome back again. So what we have discussed in previous slide, we have discussed the actual concept of Python in terms of print function and what was the procedure to print all the messages. Now we will discuss input. What does it mean? Input. Input in Python. Input is a built-in function used to take input from the users. The input is always read as a string, even if the user enters number. The main question is how it works. So generally we have taken few examples over here. Age is equal to input. How old are you? So this line shows a message to the user. How old are you? The program pauses and waits for the user to type something like 53. The user's input is stored in the variable age. So printing the results. Print your age is age, and this prints the sentence your age is 53 if 53 was entered. Since input returns a string, age is still a string here. So using the input in calculations, so print you have 65 age years until retirement. So this will cause an error if you don't convert age to a number because you cannot subtract a string from an integer. So this is the actual method. As a correct method, age is equal to int input how old are you and converts input to an integer print. So you have 65 age years until retirement. So we have some other examples or input like how old are you? 53. Your age is 53 and you have 12 years until retirement. So this is a simple exercise task given. So you just ask to write to a Python program that it means user how much money they have. It just calculates how many number of things are there and it tells them how many more money they need to buy one more. So money is equal to the simple float input how much money do you have and then just calculating all the numbers, all the fractional values are here during the actual series. So in our next slide, just explain user input in Python using an example for a simple birth year that then calculates their age. So let's go step by step with detailed explanation. So what is your name? So name is equal to raw underscore input. Simple sign is greater than. Raw input is just a Python function that reads a string from the users. And the prompt, we are saying, we are talking about the prompt, it shows up to indicate where the user should type. So if the user types Michael and then the variable name now stores Michael. So generally, what year were you born? So birth year is equal to int raw underscore print is again is greater than sign and it use raw input to get some out input. So this time the string input is wrapped within int function to convert into an integer. So if the user types 1980, then variable birth year will be the integer 1980. Again, just printing some output, hi, name, UR, and 2016 birth year. So this line combines string and numbers using commas. So 2016 birth year calculates the person age. If birth year is 1980, then 2016 minus 1980 is equal to 36, as you can see. And then it says 31, which suggests the slide might be old or has an inconsistency. So the final printed messages will be, hi Michael, you are 36. It means it says 31 in the slide, probably made back in 2011, or error. It shows the error in maths. And generally, just another example, again, the Borning and some other areas, 2025 birth year. So just simply messages will be print either what you were you born 1980 and hi Michael 45. So we are just assuming 45, assuming the current year in 25. So we have covered entire input examples as you can see in these two slides. In our next video, we will discuss about Python repetition in terms of loop and selection if else. So basically, this slide shows the introduction of two important concepts in Python programming, repetition and selection. So we will discuss in our next video. So I hope you like this video. If you like this, please subscribe my channel too. Thanks for watching.